Okay guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to properly cut your shirt to give you a very nice result. Okay, so watch this video, like and share so that others can watch also and learn. Thank you very much. So let's start. What to do now is to mark out your front part of the chest. You see 11 and a half, then you add 2 inches, you add 3 inches, sorry, making it 14 and a half. You mark it down. Continue marking. Then you measure out your length. The length is 31. Is 30. I added extra 5 inches, making it 35. Then you check your length. Then you join the lines that you have marked. Join your line where you are going to cut off. Always make sure you dress your clothes. See how I'm joining the lines. After joining the line, make sure the line is straight, then you cut. You cut straight. This is one of the things you learn as a tailor. Learn how to cut straight. See how straight it is. Then after cutting, you are going to the other tape, because from here you are going to need iron. You can't continue like this. Let's cut off the back side of the clothes. You are done cutting out the front side of the clothes. All you need is just to cut straight. Cut the remaining fabric straight. It will be enough for the back. See, that's what I did. Then we'll now go inside. So here we are going to use our iron. See, I marked out 1 inch for the wrapping in, and I use my scissors to mark it out. Then I'll do the same thing to the other edge. Then I'll now use my iron to fold it in and add hemming gum. See, I spread small water. See, I'm using charcoal iron because there's no light down, so I'm using charcoal iron. So make sure you use iron in this side. Don't go and use your head. See how I do it? So I'll have the same measurements I have in the front side, the same thing I'll have in the other side. After ironing, you add hemming gun only to the first side, the upper side. The video is already self-explanatory. See what I'm doing? I did not add hemming gun to the both side though. So you know, can add hemming gun. See how you can download the video, save the video so you watch later. See here, I applied my hemming gun. And spread little water to hold the hemming gun tight, then before I iron. Please, if you haven't liked the video, please like the video and share so that others can watch and learn. See, slow. You don't take things hard. You don't take things fast here. You have to calm down while cutting. So we are going to turn the other side and do the same thing that we did there. I'll upload another video tomorrow on next, so subscribe to the channel so you can be the first to watch my video. I'll drop another videos on how to measure, how to take accurate shirt measurements. Now you apply your hemming gum also. So I did it, fast forward it, because it's the same thing that you did that side that you do here also. So that you dress it, make sure that the two sides of the clothes are equal. Make sure that the two sides of the clothes are equal. Please subscribe to the channel so you'll be the first to watch my videos when I upload another video. You now bring the back side. Sorry. You now mark 4. It's 4 inches. Then you join. You now mark 4 inches again for the armhole. You now measure the shoulder. After measuring the shoulder, you add extra ½ inch. Extra 1 inch, I mean. If the shoulder is 20, you make the shoulder 10 and add extra 1 inch, making it 11. Then you now curve. So I just trimmed off the area I caused. So now I'm going to bring the back side of the clothes, measure it. Please like the video, it will motivate you to make more videos like this. And I cut off the excess parts of the excess parts. Then you now bring the front side of the shirt. Look at here. There is there. I don't know how to say it. Is it magic or what? Look at what you did here. After trimming off the back, the 4 inches for the back as usual. Then when placing it, you leave out extra ½ inch. Look at it. Look very closely here. Here is somehow trickish. So look well. You see, I minus extra ½ inch. I made the front side to be above with extra 1 inch, ½ inch. I mean, see it down. This ½ inch that you let is for so you can see where you put your button shirt and armhole and buttonhole and button. Then you now spread water and iron again. I'm using iron in this clothes because this clothes you cannot do anything without iron. If you don't iron it, you won't get it. It won't give you what you want. Then you will now mark out 4 inches. You see, you trim. Make sure you're using sharp scissors to cut too. Don't use blunt scissors. Blunt scissors won't give you what you want. Look here again. You see extra 0.3 inches that I left. It's not up to half inch. From the back side of the armhole. Then you now recheck. You now recheck your chest body. And when you check your chest body, you add extra 1 inch for the sewing allowances. Remember, you're not going to start from the front measure. Start from the one that is down. You minus half inch. Then you start your chest body measurement. You now trim it. Trimming now. We have our chest. You now check the length. You check the chest and add extra 2 inches for the folding. That's what I did. See? Yeah, you now draw line. If you can't cut straight, you draw line, but I advise you to draw line so you make sure that you cut straight. Okay, please like, share if you find this video helpful, and God bless you. Thank you very much.